Why we are speaking about some certain churches esithi masimeke la platform njengalawa sithi kunamabandla esuthi masiwabheka sobona engayi uNkulunkulu futhi engenayo uNkulunkulu. It's whereby you find the church, they are worshiping God, but at the same time they are also worshiping the spirit of the dead. Limili ibandla lihle nomholi wakhona futhi muhle and uyalishumayela izwi kodwa there is a spirit of the dead akaphila nazo. Uthi uyafika umise a certain sign kungaba yiladi kube amalambu makhandlela kube amakhandlela angaba ngama colors ongeke wa understand mhlawumbe mangamisela wena thabana ungavetana ukuthi uyi romantic night because yabo all red no blue no banbani, you understand? But uma wabona la makhandlela emingile amele a certain kingdom uthola ukuthi kuyakhonzwa kuphelelwe kodwa kubiswa izibani zabangasekho abathize kunebani nemkhandlela abantu abakuthiwa nosimisela amadlozi lana into inhlanhla zivela la elibovu lishiya ingozi whatsoever ngokwe interpretation, you understand? Limile iladi elithize elirepresenta a certain kingdom kodwa la endlini kuvulwa izwi kwavulwa iBhayibheli la endlini lashonyayelwa kunebishopi kunama deacons yonke uhla lwamabandla kodwa iladi le kingdom of darkness emile yakhonzwa kuyashonyayelwa futhi bamemeza beze bethi phendukani okumbuso wezulu ungowabanjalo andiphendukani kuthiwa phendukani sizwe igama lika Jesu kodwa kahle the foundation of this ministry or this church is the kingdom of the dead. Oh ngikhuluma kahle mina angikhulumi kabi lutho no bangabakwethu kodwa ngathi akusibona abakwethu because banikeze i-foundation to the wrong kingdom kwabahlola izwi sifundisiwe ngemimoya esitshelwe ngayo kuthi labo abanemimoya ethize yamadlozi yabantu abafile imimoya yamathuna waze wathi ezwini lakhe bangabaphiki bakhe nakuba bebengakwenza konke ngegama lika Jesu kodwa banayo uJesu. Angazi mangamemezela nendlini bengamemeza leli gama elithi Jesu ngema leli gama elithi Jesu imimoya yalazi bengayimemeza leli gama uthi Jesu ubona imimoya yonke iqhumeka phansi inkinga yakhona awunawo amandla wena bahlonipha igama elithi Jesu. But i-altari yobumnyama i-altar yamadlozi imile before ume phambi kwabazalwane engathi ungaqala uye kuyo lumbuso obumnyama uthi hamba nami ngemadoda sengiyaphuma manje nge-IPM angathi ngingangembatha manje ubabikele ukuthi usuyothandaza ngoba baphenduka babe uNkulunkulu ophenga uNkulunkulu uthi ngembatheni ufike kule ndawo sithi no isangoma sakwaShelembe noma umfundisi uShelembe unamandla kanti akanawo amandla. The more emaphakathi kwethu the more esithandazela the more enyakaza akunyakaza amandla akhe kodwa uyasi-initiator usifaka lolu hlobo lomoya ongcolile umoya wabafile. My Jesus, ngoba umoya wabangasekho. Oh my God. If we don't expose this kingdom, if we don't expose this kingdom, bangaki namuhla umuzwe ethi hayi uyizwa lento akayenzayo ukuthi uyayi-embrace, efisa nokuthi ngoba lolu hlobo lomoya luyasabisa. Uthi nje ngoba emile la uhloniphana elokuthi hayi sizwa ngathi kunento ekhona, ngoba singamakholwa angazange aba spiritual orientated, sikwazi ukufunda ngohlobo lwemimoya oluyingozi phakathi kwethu. Lolu hlobo luyingozi lomoya luyakwenza sengathithi uze uzwe nawe engathithi kunento ongayenza into ethize, ngoba lolu hlobo lomoya lufuna ukuthi lihlale endaweni la lihlonishwa khona.